Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm going to show you how to add profile picture frame on Facebook. So without further ado, let's jump into it. It's very simple and easy way. You're going to click on the menu next to the notification and you will click on your name or avatar icon and it will direct you to your personal profile. Afterwards, you're going to click on the camera button down here, and as you can see the multiple options, and you're going to see right here the add frame. So we're going to click on it and you're going to see the multiple option right here, which is suggested, and you're gonna see right here the multiple options that you can use. And after you've chosen, let's say for example love the earth, and I'm gonna just select any type of frame, and afterwards you're gonna save it, and basically your profile picture will be same as that frame. So basically that's how you do it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.